This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com, and in this video I'll be answering the question, which standard deviation do I use in Excel 2013? Why do you need to know the answer to that question? Well, if you type in the STD function, that's standard deviation, you'll find you have 6 options. The first 4 options are the ones you're going to want to use in Excel 2013. The last 2, STDEV and STDEVP, you only need to worry about if you want compatibility with Excel 2007 and earlier. Up here I've made a chart to show the differences between the 6 different types. Which one you use depends on what kind of data you're working with. In nearly all cases in statistics, you're going to be working with a sample. That's this second column over here. We only work with populations if you know for sure that you've surveyed every single member in a population. If you aren't sure about the difference between a population and a sample, click the link in the description field and that will take you to an article that explains the difference between the two. But in most cases in elementary statistics, you're going to be working with samples. So that narrows the list down to 3 functions, stdev.s. The stdev function, this is the one that's compatible with Excel 2007, and the stdeva. I'll make this pretty simple for you. In nearly every case in elementary statistics, you're going to want to use the stdev.s. I have a list of numbers over here I want to find the standard deviation for. I'm going to type equals stdev. There's my stdevs. That's standard deviation for a sample, and that's just numeric inputs. Double click on that. It's asking me for my range. My range of numbers is in A2 through A36. I'm going to press enter, and there is my standard deviation. In the unlikely event you need that compatibility with Excel 2007, you would use stdev, which is the exact same function as stdevs. stdeva, you're probably safe with ignoring that for elementary statistics. The only reason you would use that is if you had something other than data in your data set. For example, if you had people answering true or false to a question, then you would use stdeva. The other 3 functions that showed up on that list were all for populations. Again, it's very unlikely you'll have population data. We nearly always deal with samples in statistics. But if you did have population data, instead of stdev.s, you would use stdev.p, and the stdevp is compatible with Excel 2007. stdevpa is for those logical arguments like the true and the false. So just to round up, in statistics you'll nearly always use the stdev.s to find the standard deviation for a sample. Check out our website, statisticshowto.com, for more in-depth articles on how to find the standard deviation in Excel. You'll also find more articles and videos on elementary statistics and AP statistics.